If you find yourself unable to access your AliExpress account due to a lost email, there are still ways to recover it. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the AliExpress login page. Go to the AliExpress website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password to begin a recovery process. Step 2. Choose Recovery Options. Select the option to recover your account without email. You may be prompted to enter your phone number linked to the account or other recovery options provided by AliExpress. Step 3. Verify your identity. Once you enter your phone number or other details, AliExpress will send a verification code to your registered phone. Check your messages and enter the code on the website to verify your identity. Step 4. Reset your password. After successful verification, you will be directed to a page where you can set a new password for your account. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Log into your account. Return to the login page and enter your phone number and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your AliExpress account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to AliExpress customer support for further assistance.